Go. We should be good. The episode, and it's going to be July 7th, 20. Yeah, she's tanking. All right, so let's talk about the market for a second. Let's go and so we actually been in a downward trend. Okay, and so Asia was on a downward trend. London consolidated. Look at London. So we consolidated for London and we expanded in the New York session. So we have a nice little trend down and we consolidated, trend down, consolidation, continuation. And this is on the 15-minute chart. So look like we're going on a continuation to the downside.
That's what it looks like.
Yep, because we had a downward trend, we had consolidation, and then continuation. So looks like we are in this type of trend. Yes.
Whatever this red line was marked out here for, that's where it's stagnant at. Asia.
Yeah, it's Asia.
It's past Asia, babe.
It's past Asia?
Way past Asia.
Let's see. Coming up a little bit. So we breached down here.
Yeah, damn, I don't know what this line is. They run a little different. Huh.
Yeah.
They're trying a little bit different from
It's a possibility that I think we're going to retrace up a little bit and then come back down, because that's how we looking so far. We have downward trend, consolidation, continuation. We made this be hell.
9 o'clock yet? Okay, because this looks like a full push up. But let's see
it's,
though, because we down. Been on a downward trend, so.
Yep. Oh, let's see.
And that is the 2 minute, and this is the 2 minute. No, it's a 5 minute.
It's a 5 minute.
Custom time. I should save it to my thing since they know that's what I use. Okay.
So that's kind of where we at right now. As far as the trend, the daily candle is red, as you can see, deep red actually. So look like we are definitely on a downward trend. Are we gonna get out of this consolidation and keep going down? That's a possibility also.
Consolidation, Anki. Yeah. What your fib set up to?
I have not set up the fib yet. So
look like we was trying to go back into the orb right here. Yeah, this a build up for. Well, it's time.
Yeah, it's 9 o'clock.
Okay, let me see how the 1 hour. Okay.
See how we go rock. Let's see, we go rock, paper, scissors, baby. We got a nice little John Wick candle at the bottom down here on that last
2 minute? No.
last 2 minute, yep. And we be hopping on up, we going inside the orb. Are we going up? Look like we may be. Because we do have the 20 and the 200 is a little wide. The 20, oh no, she's going down. Shit, this market is on a downward trend. She is going down. Look like we're going for a continuation to the downside.
Yeah, look like we got a wick off of the orb.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we went right back in the orb and we come back out the orb. Wow, okay.
Honestly, it could go either way right now.
We can go either way. Man, this look like this gonna be a continuation to the downside, to tell you the truth. But let's see if what she gonna do, because we get a lot of orb fake outs. And she may just come up.
Well, right now we outside of the orb, so this setup though for a long on these other time frames.
Well, the 8 o'clock, the 9 o'clock always tend to be a reversal. So it's a possibility that she may just come up, retrace the candle, and then 10 o'clock come down. Because we have nothing but, I mean, she could just come up and hit the daily and then come back down. Oh, she just come down. This bitch coming down.
If we are coming down, though, we need to make a new low. Shit, let us know we coming down.
I'm gonna take this short.
Okay, you in?
I'm in. I'm gonna take this short. Let's see, go here.
I would feel more secure if I had stops.
Oh. I'm in the early short, y'all. For a continuation to the downside. Look like down there.
Gotta break that, baby.
Yeah. I'm in the early short. Gotta be careful right here, because she could just pop up too. And if she pops up, then yeah.
Gotta make a new low, baby.
Yeah.
You should, because that last red candle engulfed the previous green. So let's just see if we get in the wick and we're gonna flop back down. There we go.
Let's see. Early short. She might come up.
And both of them stalling.
Yeah, stalling.
It's gonna come down.
She might be coming up. Yeah. Yeah.
What you think is building out? I want to see it break this low down here.
Yeah, that's what I want to do. That's what I want to see too.
Feel a little more confident.
Confident, yeah. Okay, so you got out.
Short.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to see it break this bottom here.
Mm-hmm. Because it does this crap all the time. Well, especially when you get in it early. Yeah, see, she just bottoming out right here. I'm out of it. I don't like it neither. I got out of it. Because, yeah, I don't like it. She's consolidating on the smaller time frames, so
definitely consolidating.
Yeah, she consolidating right here. Maybe a consolidation continuation. I wait for her to break out.
She's breaking.
She's breaking. I should have stayed in it, but hey.
Is she breaking? I'm saying, because it keep touching that and the bitch squeezing back up.
Yeah. What we got going on over here? Let's see.
It's crazy because it's like it's glitching on both.
Let's go to a 1 hour. See, that's target down here. You see that? We got a target that's down here. So if it comes, it look like we may come down here. Maybe a target right there. We got a nice separation. It's a 200.
It's crazy.
And the 20, that's the 9 EMA. And that's the 9 EMA right here. And the 20 is way up here. And the 200 is way up here. It's fall, man. We got fall separation between the 20. The 20 is way separated right there. That what makes me think I don't know about this. Got a huge separation there.
Damn, are we gonna top that again? And come on, man, we gotta push through that.
Yeah.
Keep tapping it, and then it squeezes up. But
it's the 200. This is the 20, and this is the 9. But we definitely expanded over the 20 and the 200. So you're just making it a little tougher to get into a short, knowing that we got a huge expansion right there. we might be going down for a little bit. Maybe go and touch this.
We going down.
We going down.
It gotta be. What you think?
Let me look at the 1 hour again. Yeah, see, 1 hour look good for a downward trend. Shit. Damn.
I'll try short.
Yeah, I'm trying short. I'm going low, very low risk on this one. I'm just going to do one right quick and just very low risk on this one. Very low risk. Yep, I'm going real low risk on this one, y'all. And the target gonna be shit right there. Morning. Look like it's at Thursday's closing price. Yeah, so that's what I was looking at too. If you look at the daily, yeah, see that's Thursday, right? And that's going to be Thursday closing price right there. That's why I'm going real light, because what I'm not liking is, first we got a huge expansion, right? And also we so separated from the 20 and the 200. And so since we so separated from the 20 and the 200, it just makes me just be on the cautious side of being in this.
Oh, I think it's glitching so much. Is yours?
No, no.
Still in the short?
I'm still in the short.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm going real light, real light this morning.
For me, over here, it ain't going past this line here.
Yeah, I don't like the way the RSI is way at the bottom like that. Not saying that it's not gonna go past that, but
Yeah. Okay, so let me see something here. I want to see how this 15-minute gonna end. Probably looking good. Everything looking good for a down, for
yeah.
a short. You still in short?
I'm still in short. Yeah.
Trying to see.
I'm going to break even on this one. So right there, the tippy tip right there. Ooh, nice.
It's crazy. It's showing it's going down over here, but not over here, babe. It's showing we going down over here, but not over here. What that? I don't get it.
We tapped in right
What you
here.
think?
We tapping the.
Oh, we ain't going.
We look like we can't. We tap right at the bottom down here. Oh, we okay, I got tapped out.
Oh,
Okay, I got tapped out for a nice little win. I got tapped out for a nice little win.
okay.
Yep.
Man, that's a weekly high there, huh?
Yep. right there.
We're getting a tail on this candle, huh?
Yep. So we looking like a double
we
bottom
might just
right
be
here.
a double bottom where?
If you look
Which
at
chart?
your on the 1 hour chart, look at your 1 hour chart. We right at a double bottom. Go to the left. See that? We had a double bottom. That's why I got out the trade. That was Thursday's closing price.
Well, we did breach it.
Yeah, we breached it a little bit, but we may be coming back down.
Oh, but that's the yeah, I don't know. Let's see though. Let's see.
The RSI is
So low, huh?
so low. Yeah, it's got to do a retracement back up. I would like to see that RSI come up to at least towards the mid, but damn, it's pushing it down. Nice little double bottom down there. The only thing, like I was saying earlier, we so expanded. This could be your 20 moving average. This is the 9. This is the 200. You see how we expanded way down there? That's definitely that. We got to come back up here and get close to this 20. Now I may not do it on the 9 o'clock candle, but we may do it on the 10 o'clock candle.
Trying to go to the 9.
Yeah, it's trying to go back to the 9. And so we're looking at the 20. So now we look like we're going back up and try to see if we can get close to this 20. So we had another downward trend. We had consolidation all the way to about right here. We had the breakout right here, retracement of the consolidation. We come down, we consolidated again, we expanded. And so that's where we at right now. Actually, if you look at this, it's a textbook trade. If you look at it from a analysis standpoint, you have a downward trend, consolidation, continuation. But the only issue with this is that we expanded too far. We hitting the Thursday's low. We got a double bottom, actually almost like a triple bottom here. 1, 2, 3. We got a triple bottom right here. That's why it's starting to come up, because we got a triple bottom here. We stalled out right here.
You think there's about to be a push up or more? Damn, this look like more room to the
Yeah,
down.
more up to the downside. So it pushed up a little bit, It got the RSI up a little bit, then it's starting to push down a little bit. It just carefully right here at this double
'Cause
bottom.
yeah.
Yeah, you see that? That's the only problem I got with this is that
But if we going
it's
down, it's
very
gotta-
risky right here.
Yeah. Well, we just ranging in that area right now.
Yeah, it may consolidate right there. One thing about this market, y'all, you got to make quick decisions. Got to do what you got to do. It's sometimes especially when you're looking at this consolidation continuation. As soon as it broke the box, that's when I got in a trade and I rode it all the way down. Look like yeah, so
Yeah, we're not making new lows, and
Not
it's
making
not
new
good
lows.
for shorts
Not
if we
good for
stay
shorts
stuck
right
in
here.
this area. The longer we stay here,
yep. So right now we are in another middle of a consolidation. If you look at the 1 minute, we are in this consolidation box again. So the question is, okay, we had a downward trend, correction, downward trend, correction, downward trend, a little correction right there, but not a big correction. And so we right here in this consolidation box. But
broke out of it, huh?
No, we haven't broke out of it yet.
Okay, that 30 minute looks good.
30 minute look good. Yep, we're breaking out of it. Breaking out of it. Wow. We have the weekly low down here. That's going to be the weekly. Gotta be careful right there by that weekly. Let me show you. See that weekly? That's that weekly. We got 2 weeks right here that's stuck right there. So we about to hit the weekly low. We got to hit the weekly low. Hey, good morning. Good morning. We about to hit
Good morning.
We're about to hit the weekly low. And so the question is, since we about to hit this weekly low, are we going to breach this weekly low and have a continuation to the downside? Or are we going to stay stuck in this consolidation? If y'all guys look at this,
Breach it?
we about to look like we about to touch it. If you see this, the weekly chart for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks, we've been in this consolidation for 7 weeks. And so we're right here at the low. Are we gonna breach this and do a continuation?
We're trying to tap it,
we about
baby.
to tap
Coming
it.
close.
We're about to tap it. Yep. Damn, we about to breach it. You in the short?
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
about to tap out though and get this little profit if
Good
you don't
deal.
keep flushing.
Yeah.
Let's see, we're tapping, breaking.
Ooh, yeah, nice,
Break.
nice.
Come on.
Come on. Keep going.
Yeah.
Keep going.
All right.
Keep going. All right, keep going. Keep going.
Damn.
Stalling out a little bit. That's okay. You took
I
it?
don't want it to pop up on me. Did I? My thing froze.
No, you good.
I'm gonna take that
Take
though.
it. Good deal.
Yeah.
Good deal.
Yeah. So let's see what we gonna do here.
Okay.
You know why I'm really gonna wait and see what it's gonna do the next 5 minutes? The 30-minute candle
30-minute candle, yeah.
Because if we hit that point down there in 30 minutes, we want to retrace up.
Yep.
Let's see.
Okay. Man, textbook trades today, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. We doing some textbook trades. I did 2 trades. I know 1 trade so far. And nice little green trade.
Oh, man, look at that.
I went real low on the contracts, but yeah, it just broke the weekly. Textbook trades today. And when you're coming into the market, you want to see exactly what we looking at here. We had a downward trend from the Asia session, London session. It consolidated. New York session, continuation, as you can see. So shorts is good for the day. We got a deep pull back down here. I mean, New York ain't playing. It's going straight down. Like, if you look at how Asia session just kind of, you know, some down, some up, some down, some up, some correction. We haven't had a correction candle in this downward trend. So this is where we at. This is danger zone right here, right at the weekly low. So we passed the orb. We in danger zone right here. So if you didn't catch this short up in this area, I would hold off, not getting in this trade.
It may be going up though to get a wick right now.
Yep, and wait for the 30-minute.
30-minute, yeah. And look how that ended. No cross there.
Yep. So it tapped the weekly, and since it tapped the weekly, it's rejected it. Now I'm not saying that it ain't go breach the weekly, but what I'm saying is we haven't had no kind of correction candle yet. So
I wonder if it's my computer, because I'm stalling out.
you stalling out again?
Both of them though. Look at
I
that
just
shit.
trying to reboot after.
Yeah. But both of them doing it, and I'm on 2 different platforms, so but yeah, they both glitching at the same time. Back down, was that just a correction candle or what?
And also, the one of the reasons why I would say hold off if you want to think about getting in the short, guys, is if you look at the 200, which is way up here, which is flat, which is nice. Look at the 20. The distance between the 20 and the stock itself is so expanded that if you look at how the 20 is always close to the candles, we got right here at the 20, that's a 20, then all of a sudden it expanded. That means that this puppy got to come back up and get close to this 20, and then this 20 may get a little close to this 200. So it may not happen with this 9 o'clock candle, but this 10 o'clock candle, we're gonna get a retracement.
Look like
Or maybe
the 9? No.
Yeah,
shit,
or maybe the 11 o'clock candle may get a
Scalp
retracement
up,
going up.
All right, and we got what? Oh, the 30-minute is in.
This is the
huh?
30-minute.
Let me see what it looks like. Oh, we might be trying to get a week.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. You think it's gonna? Because we did touch that.
We did touch the bottom. We touched the bottom, and this is the weekly. This is very important, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie to you. If you look at the weekly chart, we've met up with last week's bottom. That means that you may have a lot of buyers in this area, but can the sellers overrule the buyers and breach this weekly? Because if we breach this weekly, then we gonna have a continuation to the downside. Because if you look at the overall chart, this is the weekly chart. For weeks now, we've been on the upward trend, and for the past 7 weeks, we've been consolidating. Are we all gonna start a downward trend? More of a come down here? Because we could do that too. We could do that too. It can come back down here. Since we have not breached or broke out here, and now we right here breaking the weekly, the only thing I can see is maybe going to a downward trend.
Okay, rejected that area.
Yep. Oh yeah, yep, that 2 minute. Ooh, nice.
Yeah, we're going back down here, huh?
You in? Oh. You gonna wait?
You?
No. I'm thinking about it, but I just wanted to see. I want to see it break. Yeah, we consolidating by this weekly. Don't know. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, this definitely not ideal right here. I would like for it to go up. See that how it's going up?
I should break that.
If we break the EMA, we going up to the 20.
I'll try.
Maybe good for longs right here.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna try. I took that.
Okay. Because we got a nice little doji candle that peeped right underneath the daily or the weekly. And damn. The RSI is
We
going
at the
up.
top, huh?
The RSI is going
It's on
up.
the
Yeah,
bottom.
it's at the bottom. Yeah, good RSI right there to go up.
Yeah. A lot of room there. Come on, we need to pop over the 9.
Yeah, let's see. If we put this Fibonacci right there, 50% is right there by the orb. Always by the orb. 50% Fibonacci, always by the orb. That's crazy how the fib works.
Right.
If we going up. God damn.
Yeah.
Something going on.
Oh, you out?
Yeah, I'm out.
Tapping again.
And that'll give it what, a double tap. Stalling.
Damn.
Come on. Man. She don't know what, she breaking, then she going down. This a downward trend market right now.
Yeah.
No retracement, no nothing. I think the
There we go to drop.
reverse it, yeah.
And for out this.
No.
Oh.
You wanna
Go.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me see what we get here.
Yeah. I gotta do something about my mouth situation.
It's been giving you problems, huh?
Yeah, I mean, damn, I'll be in the middle of a freaking trade and my mouse all of a sudden doesn't.
6 minutes out.
There we go. Shit. Come on now. Put it on the charger. Come on. What you gonna do?
You're not in.
I'm not in it, no. Man.
So this the game of patience.
Yes, absolutely.
It's crazy. I want to go down, but the pullbacks and
Yeah. Pullbacks are massive.
last one candle didn't go. Hold on. That's the wrong chart.
Sweet.
The 50% is right under the orb.
Yeah, 50% is right under the orb. Yeah.
It's gonna come down a little. Now the 61 is gonna be at the orb if you come down. Well, in between. Come down to the end of that candle. Okay, I need a little more direction here.
Yeah.
What you think there?
What I'm thinking right now is that it's stalling out at the weekly, and that's the scary part, because since we stalling out at the weekly and we about almost 20 minutes before the top of the hour, I'm thinking
This might be a break to the upside.
break to the upside, or it's gonna consolidate right here. We gonna get a consolidation, and then I'm thinking the 10 o'clock candle go push it back up, because we had such a steep drop with no market correction. I'm thinking we go.
That last candle. Let me go off the EMA was holding the 9.
You know, yeah. I still think that since we had a steep drop, we have 1 leg, 2 leg, 3 legs, 4 legs right here. We had a steep drop. This was the play. I think we still gonna stall out right here, and I think we're gonna stall out right here, and I think the 10 o'clock candle might push it back up. Maybe a correction. I would have been more comfortable if we had a downward trend, a correction, downward trend, correction, downward trend, more like a continuation like that, downward trend correction like that. But we haven't got that. We got a straight slope. And then we so separated from the 200 and the 20. And so that's what makes me think that shorts are not in play right now. I may be wrong.
We're not making new lows here.
Yeah, we're not making no new lows. We just kind of stagnant right here.
Equal low here and ranging. We're just ranging right there.
And as long as we sitting right here on a smaller time frame, when you're looking at a smaller time frame, that give you a pause on if she don't break and go below here, she about to come pop up. Because when you're looking at the RSI is oversold. So it's down into the 20s.
Mm-hmm.
The RSI is way down there. That means that we and again, might be wrong, but she is breaking.
To the downside.
Something going on. Did Trump must have tweeted? No, I know he was live. Trump was live earlier, so
That's a short, huh?
yeah, he was live earlier. Let me see if he's still live. No, Trump is not live no more. So yeah, so Trump is not live no more. So here we got nice little upward trend. And this is going to be the 1 minute chart.
It's crazy. It's going up, but we're making new lows.
Yeah, we're making new lows. So what it's doing right now is, again, it's stalling. I think we are. I think on the smaller time frame is doing what it's supposed to do. It's coming down, doing a correction, coming down, doing a correction, coming down. So this may be what you're looking for in the smaller time frame, because you're coming down, correct, come down, correct, come down, correct, and we got that trend right there. We got a nice little channel trend from here to there. I mean, I guess shorts are still being played.
I'm more familiar with this. Yeah.
So if you notice, this is something that you got to notice too. The 20 is now sloping down, trying to catch up with it. You see that 20 starting to close the gap? See that 20 starting to close the gap. We still got that 200 way up there, but that 20 starting to close the gap.
That's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Up to 61 is at the or above down.
Yeah. So, if you ever want to see a textbook play, a textbook market, today is textbook. You don't get no more textbook than this. You got Asia session, give you a downward trend. London session gave you consolidation. New York session gave you continuation. More like the ICC method, right? Indication, correction,
And continuation.
and continuation. This ICC all the way down to the point. Indication, correction, and and continuation. But yeah, it's crazy.
That 9 is holding.
Yeah.
Been holding.
That is crazy insane. yesterday we had the 9 o'clock candle was all over the place. It was consolidating and, was ripping us to shreds. I mean, we got out the trade, broke even. I got out the trade, broke even with a small profit. Today, it is doing what it has to do. But it's still right there by the weekly, ducked right underneath the weekly. And it's gone back, tap on the weekly. Now she did duck the head right above the weekly. So she ducked her head off the weekly a little bit right there. I'm liking the way the 200. I'm sorry, I like the way the 20 is starting to come slope down. So I like that. The 200 is still kind of expanding.
9.
Mm-hmm.
Still above the 9.
Still, yeah. Yep, look like we get the upward trend. A correction. Got to go up now. Yes. All right. Get a little wick to come back up.
It's in between the 9 and the 20. That's the 20.
That's the 20. Yeah. All right. Good deal. Keep going.
You're in?
No, I'm not in. It's tapping on the 20. Come on. Got to go over it. Or I made this. Might stall out right there by the 20.
It's going to get over. Come on. In between the 9 and the 20.
In between the 9 and the 20.
Damn, we don't want to go up, huh?
Yeah, she about to go up.
It's gonna
She
go
had to
up,
come.
huh?
She had to come get a wick. She had to come get a wick. She haven't broke
Gotta get
structure.
back above the 9. Shit. We're going to pop up there. What you say, baby? We did what? That was 10 minutes too. Top of the hour, huh? Let's see how this works though. We're going this heavy.
Yeah.
You gotta tap soon as you see it.
Yes. Absolutely.
Don't fuck around with it.
Don't. Nope. Look at that. Maybe this a correction.
Let's see. But the longer we hang out down here, it's not good for us.
Right. Let's see if we go back to the 4-hour candle. Where are we in this 4-hour session? 4-hour candle. Okay, so the 4-hour candle is met up with a lot of stuff down here.
Yeah. Low, that's good.
It met up with a lot of stuff up here. So we should be good for...
I want to see it pop above the 20.
Mm-hmm.
I don't share, yo.
Got it. Yeah. Good. Pop. It's going up.
If I could do 2,000-3,000, that'd be good.
Yeah. Ooh. If it pop over that 20.
Cool, yeah, it's at it.
It's at it. It's just tugging. Tugging. Come on.
Bitch.
It's tugging at that 20.
Yeah, I need it over it though. A wick in between the 9 and the 20. Come on, do it for me, baby. Do it for me.
Almost there. There we go. Come on.
Shit, will we touch the 23 and be done or what? We are approaching it.
Okay. Nice. Well, and the reason why we breaking is because we've had so much of a downward trend, right? And we were so far apart from the 20, and we so far apart from the 200, and so that's why we retrace it back up. We got to get close to this 20. This 20 got to match up with this 200.
Oh, what's the matter, honey? He barking in his sleep. He's having a nightmare. So having a nightmare. Somebody messing with him in his sleep, huh?
Yeah. Come on.
I wonder if that was it because it hit the 23. Bro.
All right. We are. Let's go back to the 2 minute. We don't have no wick at the bottoms. I mean, wick at the top, so it look like we push it back up. All right. Let's go. Let's go.
Damn. Come on.
Let's go. Even if we can get to a nice Fibonacci retracement going up here and touch. So what we're doing right now is, and I say this earlier, since we were so far from the 20, and since we so far from the 200, and since we expanded from the 20 and the 200 right here, we had a nice expansion. Now it's got to come close this gap. It's got to come close the gap.
And it's probably setting up too for the next hourly candle to come in and be green correct.
Right there. Has to come close the gap. Got to come close this gap. Got to. Now, whether or not it's going to do it on the 10 o'clock, that's something that you got to think about too. Oof, oof.
Yeah, you're going to bounce off of that, right?
Bounce off of that.
Yeah, get the strength off of that and push up.
Yep. Okay, so as we come to the top of the hour, kind of give you guys my thought process on today's session. Did one trade, one green trade. I went real light on the contracts. I was real concerned about how the 20 and the 200 was expanded, and I got in it, got me a nice little win. But today was textbook. I mean, you can't get it no better than this. I wish every day was like this. You get a trend from the Asia session, consolidation from the London session, continuation in the New York session. So that's basically what you're looking for every day. It doesn't do this every day, but I'm so glad that we was able to capitalize on some of this expansion, which is really nice. But usually, sometimes you'll see a trend from the Asia session, consolidation, and a reversal. So you'll see that. But right now, we are in a downward trend. We double bottom down here. We breach the bottom, but we coming back to retrace this double bottom. So now we're on an upward trend going into the new hour, because we got to get some sort of correction. So we ducked right underneath the weekly. It went down, grabbed liquidity. This is where all the buyers at.
Just a 23.
And she's going straight up. And so I would tell you that probably the next hour, we go probably have a continuation to the upside. And then maybe the 11 o'clock hour, we go probably come down and finish off the day. But we definitely got to get a retracement. That's why we're going up. So we got to pop it. And I'll go from there. But that's going to be it for this session. I really appreciate y'all joining. Y'all get an opportunity to see our trades and hear our thought process in the market.
What are we doing? There we go.
And go from there. So, any last words? Nothing? Okay. Okay, this for she in the trade.
No.
So she focused on that trade. She on a long.
Yeah, and
So,
I'm going pretty heavy. So
Going heavy. She
to...
going heavy in the long right now. So, yes, absolutely. All right, y'all. We gonna get on out of here. We gonna see y'all tomorrow. Peace out.